Bayville got buried in 14.6 inches of snow, and that's where CBS 2's Tracy Carrasco is right now. Tracy.
Maurice, let me show you what the residents of Bayville are dealing with right now. Take a look at this minivan, absolutely buried in fresh snow. You can see the snow goes all the way up to the very top of that tire. Now, as it is raining, it's creating an even bigger mess out here. Mother Nature can't seem to make up her mind. Rain, snow, and just about everything in between. Snow so high, only the top of this parking sign peeks out of the mountain of fresh powder along 7th Street in Bayville. Cars buried in the street, stuck with nowhere to go.
As you see, our road wasn't even plowed yet. So hopefully they get to it sooner or later.
Bayville hit with more than 14 inches and counting. And residents spent most of the day shoveling driveways and clearing paths along sidewalks. But the mountains of snow keep growing here, and there's no place to put it.
We can't even use my driveway at this point because the snow is piled up so high. And even though we had snow blowers going today and everyone helped out in our neighborhood.
With more snow expected, people here in Bayville are sick of it. What are your thoughts on winter right now?
I think we had enough. I'm going to the Keys on Sunday, do some fishing with my friends, and get out of here.
Getting out of here seems like a good idea. Now let's take a look at these roads. You can see with the rain just how slick it is. You can see a little bit of ice is really starting to form out there along the edge. So if you are out there driving right now, you really want to take it easy. We are live in Bayfield on Long Island. Tracy Carrasco, CBS 2 News.
All right, Tracy, the Keys really sounds like a good idea right about now. The snow that's coming over.
My boy, Harry Carter. Nice job, buddy.